In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Canvas. So if you are watching this video, you've obviously found Canvas because the link for this video was right here. I suggest if you haven't watched them, watch this video here, and that's a general video about the course, and then the syllabus video. If you're going to watch a video, watch the syllabus one. That's by far the most important one. Okay, so we're going to walk through this. Down below, these are links to some videos that are going to help you with the material in the course. The first one here takes you to videos of the lectures for this course from an in-person section. Okay, you have the slides that go with these lectures. That's your primary information source for the semester. But if you want to follow along with a lecture format, you can watch these. Unfortunately, my camera is not the best quality, and so in some cases it might be difficult to see the slides on the projector screen, but you have the PDFs, and so it's very, very easy to just follow along with the slides. I think you'll really find that helpful if you do that. And then down here are the lab videos. These were made specifically for the online section. They're going to walk you through the lab. There's a lot of information in there that'll save you time looking things up, and it will help you. Definitely watch the lab videos when you do the labs. So let's come back up, and I am going to switch into student view. So I'm currently in instructor view. So I'm going to switch into student view so that I am looking at exactly what you will be looking at. And I want to point out, in my experience, the student view is a little buggy. I don't think you'll have the issues that I'll have when I go through this, so don't get too scared of it. Under Home, over here, is the McGraw-Hill Connect. That is the textbooks website. If you want to access the textbook, access some of the resources that go with it, without actually going into the homework, you can access it through there. You'll need your Connect code to log in. Under that is the grade book. And there's something specific that I want to point out to you once this is logged in. So here, this is showing you the test student. Okay, so when you log in, you'll see your grades. You notice here there is Canvas Exam 1, Canvas Exam 2/midterm, and then down below there's Canvas Exam 3. The ones that have Canvas in them will be the raw grades from when you take your exams online. And if you've read the syllabus, you know that some of your exams are combined. And so when you take Canvas Exam 2/lab midterm here, you're going to be taking a lecture exam and a lab midterm. Canvas is going to automatically put your grade here, but that is two grades combined into one. I then have to manually go in, pick out the lab exam score and the lecture exam score, and put them in the right place. And so the lecture exam grade would go here, the lab exam grade would go here. So make sure when you take that exam and you go to look at your grade book, you realize it doesn't factor this grade into your final grade at all. I have to manually go in and do that. So just don't panic. I'll try to get that done as quickly as possible, but I wanted to point that out to you. Most of what you're going to do this semester is found in the modules. So in the modules are your exams. So if you're going to take them at home on your computer using HonorLock, there's a practice quiz here. I put that for you if you want. You can play with it if you want. But when I tried to do it, it looked like it was going to charge me the money to do it. So I'm not sure it's going to be all that helpful for you. But to take the exams, you'll just click them here. So we're going to go through this as if we're going to take exam number 1. So we come in, we click take the quiz. See, these are the bugs that I'm talking about with the student view. Minimized on us. It's going to load. If you're taking it with HonorLock, you would click Launch Proctoring. If you're in the big open lab on campus, you would get the proctor to come over. They would click accessibility and put in an access code. Even I don't know that access code, only they do. Okay? If you're taking it with HonorLock, like I mentioned in the syllabus, I think they have very good support. You can click right here or right here in order to do a live chat with a real person, and they'll be very, very helpful. If you're taking it with HonorLock, you'll click this. It opens up a new window. If you have the plugin installed, it'll open up your webcam, and then it'll walk you through the instructions. Okay, so that is how you would do that. Let's go back to the modules. Under that is the homework. There are 4 homework assignments. If you click here, it's going to take you to a page where you'll click another link to go to the publisher's textbook website to do the homework. Again, you'll need your Connect code to do that. So if I click here, because I'm in student mode, it would make me log in, which I can't do. And so what I've done is through instructor mode, in another tab, I've already opened up the homework. So when you get into the homework, this is what it's going to look like. It's all multiple choice. It's very straightforward on how to do it. What I wanted to point out to you is that at the bottom here, it is telling you where in the book this material is covered. So it's saying it's chapter 1, section 5. Don't get confused because it says 05. It is still section 5. So you can come up here and then you can click the ebook button. Once this comes up, it's going to give us the entire textbook. Unfortunately, it doesn't take you directly to this material, but it's fairly easy to find. So we need chapter 1, section 5. And so here we're in chapter 1. I need section 5. And so I would go here, and there is the material for that. If you need to change chapters, you can change chapters right here. So let's go back to modules. These lab assignments are your labs. They're PDFs, so we'll open it up. I'm sorry. This is where you submit the lab. This isn't the actual lab handout itself. So we'll come back to the lab assignment. The labs themselves are down here. These are the PDFs. And so it'll open it up in its own window here, but you can download the PDF here. You can edit a PDF. You can find a converter online to change it into Word. Then you can edit it on your computer. You can print it out, do a hard copy, scan it, whatever you have to do. Once it's done, then we go to the lab assignments here, and you can upload the file. So you click Submit Assignment and upload the file. Your lecture slides, which are the main material for this semester, are here. They are lecture slides, like I think I mentioned in the syllabus. I think that's going to be to your benefit. Again, they're PDF, and so you can look at them right in Canvas. You can download the PDF, you can print them, whatever you want to do with them. And then down at the bottom, we have some final course files. So the course objectives and the final exam study guide are here. These are given to me by the department, the same people who write the final exam. So the material I'm giving you in those slides and in the homework and in the exams is based off the course objectives. I literally went through and all the course objectives are in the slides. The final exam study guide will include not all of the material in the course objectives. If you open that up, it's a big long list of things that you need to make sure you know when you take the final exam. All of the material on the final exam is in the study guide. I went through question by question. That does not mean that everything in the study guide is on the exam. But if you go through the study guide and you can do all of it, you know all of it, you should do just fine on the final exam. Here we have the Open Lab schedule. If you're able to make it to the Northwest main campus, you can go into the lab, you can look at models, you can look at slides. The schedule of when those labs are open and where they are is located here. And then here, if you need extra information for HonorLock, it's in here. I copied and pasted some of it into the syllabus, but there's more of a tutorial here. If you have questions, send me a Canvas message. Just go over to inbox here, send me a message, okay? Next, we have discussions. We may or may not use the discussions this semester. If you have something you want to discuss with me, send me a message. If you want to discuss something with your classmates, and maybe I will join in, you can post it here in discussions. If you want to talk to your classmates individually, you can find them in People. There's also a chat here. You can use that chat with your classmates. We may set up times that I will be available for chat, but more likely, I think I'm planning to set up times where we can do video and audio conferences. And so that would be through the conference tab here. Once that is set up and ready to go, I'll send out a message to everybody telling you when you can meet me there and what you need to do. There's just some extra information there about Canvas and Santa Fe. So that is Canvas. It's not complicated. I think I have it laid out so that you can find what you need to find. If you have trouble finding something, though, please, please, please let me know. Okay? If something isn't working, remember, I can't access it just exactly how you do. And so I may not be able to replicate a problem. I may not know the problem exists. And so if you're having an issue, please let me know. With that, you've finished the intro videos. You can dig into all the fascinating things you're going to learn this semester. Good luck.